Most scholars state that Amirul Mu'mineen ﷺ didn't open his eyes because he didn't want to look at the idol. Forget bowing down to an idol, Amirul Mu'mineen ﷺ didn't even look at an idol. When they come out, then she says he hasn't opened his eyes. The Holy Prophet says, well, give him to me. When he comes into the lap of the Holy Prophet, now he opens his eyes. The Holy Prophet of Islam smiles and he says, Ya Ali, you reserved your eyes for me, so I've reserved my knowledge for you. Imam Amirul Mu'mineen himself says that Holy Prophet of Islam taught me 1,000 chapters of knowledge. From each chapter I opened 1,000 more chapters. 1,000 times 1,000 is 1,000,000 chapters of knowledge. In order to understand this, the Holy Prophet of Islam says that knowledge is divided into 10 parts, and 9 parts of those have been given to Ali ibn Abi Talib and 1 has been given to the rest of creation. All the knowledge in the world is 1/10 of the knowledge that exists, and 9/10 of it is with Amirul Mu'mineen. When he opens his eyes and he sees the Holy Prophet Islam for the first time, he says, Ya Rasulullah, what should I recite? Rasulullah says, Ya Ali, I want to hear all your recitation. And then when he recites, Rasulullah says to him, Ya Ali, you recited Torah better than Musa recited. And you recited Zabur better than Dawood recited. And you recited Injil better than Isa recited. And you recited the Quran. Which Quran? Which Quran? There's still 10 years until the first verse of Quran is going to be revealed. You recited the Quran just as I would have recited it. And from what surah of the Quran did he recite? He Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Qad aflaha al-mu'minun. Successful are the believers. It should be befitting that Amirul Mu'mineen tells us about what the Mu'mineen should be like. Recite salawat ala Muhammad.